to our Chicken Paratha factory. Join us as we take you through the journey of crafting soft, flavorful parathas with the finest ingredients and modern technology.
Batch 72 just triggered a non-conformance alert.
The system flagged it. The arm is removing it now.
Confirmed. Traceability updated.
All parameters confirmed. Batch 7 is cleared.
Understood. Moving to the next stage.
That piece is irregular. Make sure to remove it. Okay. Got it. Sending it to the chute now.
Check the next batch closely.
Found one. Sending it back.
The pH is right on target, 5.9.
Good. The viscosity also matches the required parameters for uniformity.
Monitor the temperature in kettle 3.
It's holding steady at 92, proceeding as scheduled.
Smoothness is consistent and the aroma is acceptable.
Agreed. Approved for stuffing.
moisture is at 45%. Elasticity looks good.
Okay, recording that now. Softness is consistent with the last batch.
Elasticity is within tolerance, and the moisture reading is stable at 45%.
Got it. Batch consistency confirmed.
The consistency here is perfect. Agreed, we can pass this tray. Look at the ceiling here, it seems inconsistent.
Yes, I agree. The filling distribution is uneven as well.
Okay, we'll monitor the next few units closely. The shape consistency is excellent, but the weight is slightly under target on this sample.
Agreed. I've noted the deviation. We'll monitor the next few cycles.
I'm setting the hot plate temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and increasing the speed conveys the speed 65. The flow rate looks perfectly consistent now.
Yes, and the coverage is excellent. I'll log the current settings.
The texture is exceptionally soft, and the oil absorption is perfect.
Noted. Flakiness score is high.
The defect rate spiked here, but the flow is steady. Good. Ensure the packaging teams are aware of the revised targets.
Understood. We'll keep a close eye on it.
Okay, the export shipment is secured. Double check the retail manifest.
Looks good. They are all set for the morning deliveries.
Check this out. The ingredients look really fresh.
They do. This looks perfect for dinner tonight.
Is the Paratha shipment ready for the floor?
Yes, manifest checked and cases counted. We just finished.
This packaging looks great, and the chicken paratha seems really fresh. I'll take 2.
Thank you for joining us on this journey. We're proud to deliver soft, delicious chicken parathas made with care and quality. Like, share, and subscribe for more.
We're all set here, Ali.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Drive safe.